Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to introduce to you a new platform that I've been watching for a little while, and it is called Pegasus. And they have been around for quite some time, since February. They've been paying out every day and instantly. And so I have finally, several days ago, I finally made the jump into it, and I've been getting paid out every day, and it's been going really well. So I just want to go through and introduce this platform to you guys. For those of you who are already in my Telegram notification channel, you guys already know about Pegasus, and some of you even have had the opportunity to invest in Pegasus before I even have shared it on my channel, which is great because, as we know, people who get in early to these investments tend to be the ones to profit the most. So luckily for you guys, Pegasus is still in their pre-launch phase. They are paying out instantly every day, but if you register before June 6th, the minimum deposit is only $50. However, if you register after June 6th, the minimum deposit goes up to $300. So if you're interested in doing this, it's a great low risk way to check out the platform and start investing and seeing your returns. So I'm just gonna let you guys know ahead of time that if you haven't joined my Telegram channel yet, I have just made one, and it is only for updates of my investments. So if you want to be the first to know about all the new investments that I'm in, and so that you can get in early and profit like I am before I even share them with my channel, before everyone else jumps in, the link is in my description below. So just go ahead and add my Telegram channel and you'll get updated on everything I'm doing. So the main offerings of Pegasus are that you can earn 1.5% per day on your money for 200 days for a total of 300% return. As I had mentioned, the entry cost right now before June 6th is only $50, and after June 6th, the entry cost goes up to $300. So if you are kind of thinking, hey, this might be something I want to check out, well, I really highly suggest that you invest before June 6th because it's only $50 to check it out and to start earning and seeing the platform work for you and make 1.5% a day on your money. So what I do like about this platform is that they've been around since February of this year, and they have been paying out users every day. I mean, even though we had this crypto crash and we saw a lot of platforms go away, they have still been around. They have made it through. They're very active in their Telegram and just communicating with all of us investors. And they've been, paying out. So that's the most important part of a platform, right? Is that they pay out and that we can have instant withdrawals. So that's another thing I like about the platform, is that the withdrawals are instant. And they actually have real crypto traders that are trading for us 7 days a week, since crypto doesn't sleep. So that's another plus that I really like about this platform. And so you guys might be wondering, well, I've been burned by a lot of platforms lately. Why join Pegasus? Well, Pegasus did survive the recent crypto market crash. They didn't make up any excuses or said they have like withdrawal issues or anything. They have been paying out instantly ever since February, regardless of whether the market is up or down. That is one of their promises to us, is no matter if the market is up or down, they're still making money and they're still paying out their investors. And another thing is that 1.5% return a day is very sustainable. So they're able to provide sustainable returns. It's not crazy. You're not going to be earning 3 to 5 to 10% a day, but hey, it's sustainable returns and it is very stable from what I have seen so far. And another thing that improves Pegasus's stability is the fact that they keep financial reserves. So for some reason, if the market does crash or something happens, they always keep a certain percentage of their own financial reserves to be sure to pay out investors. So, we are the most important part of their business, and being truthful and being able to pay us out is really important to them, which is why they keep a big financial reserve in order to pay us out regardless of what is happening in the market. Another thing that they do is they undergo regular audits from third-party auditors to make sure that they are, doing the right thing in the financial space and that everything is looking good. Another thing that I like is that they do offer an affiliate program, a tiered affiliate program. And another bonus that I really like is that they offer dividend payments to all their investors. So whenever a new investor comes on board and funds their account, they pay out 3% to all their investors based on how much you have invested, which I will go into in a little later in this video. So I just want to go ahead and pop over to their actual website right here. This is their homepage. And yeah, like I said, they know how to make a profit whether the market is up or down. And we've seen that because the crypto market crashed and they still paid out instantly. And so they know how to control their losses. They are a group of experts specialized in cryptocurrency trading and risk management. They are based in Dubai, and so as I had mentioned, 1.5% per day is a feasible return. So not only that, they make way more than 1.5% in just a few minutes, but the risk management is the key to keep doing what they do without losing a significant amount of funds. So they know about the risk. They've calculated the risk and they realize that 1.5% is sustainable, and they want to be able to offer us something sustainable in the long term. And we've seen that they have pulled through the recent crypto crash. They've still paid out their investors and stayed true to their word, which is why, I decided to take a chance and invest with them. So how to get started, just basically register up here, and then you'll just enter in your information. They need your email address and then create a password, and then you make a deposit, and then you start earning within 24 hours of your deposit. You'll earn 1.5% on your money. And here are some other features that they have. Once again, their traders are professional and they work every day trading in the crypto market. So unlike forex trading, there's no holidays, no weekends, because they trade in crypto. So you'll be able to make money every single day with them. They have instant withdrawals, and they have a very secure website. And I have been part of their Telegram group and their support groups, and they are very, very responsive and always answering our questions in the group, which is a very good sign. Another thing they do to keep our funds safe is that they keep funds in a cold wallet, and only a small part of the money remains in the website to pay withdrawals and commissions daily. So they really try to keep it safe so that nobody can hack it and take all of our funds. So they do have a hardware wallet where the percentage of the profit that they make is actually stored as part of an emergency reserve fund to protect our investments and to pay us back in case of a hack or any, black swan event that results in losing their assets. They are prepared. And as I had mentioned, they do conduct a platform security audit by third-party reviewers to make sure that their platform is safe, secure, and that they're operating properly. So Pegasus has definitely grown exponentially. I mean, they have almost 10,000 clients, over $2.4 million in investments. They've paid out over $846,000 so far, and they've been online for 163 days. So, I mean, just think about it. We're so worried about these platforms, rugging us in, we'll be lucky to make it past 30 days, but they've been online for 163 days and counting. So, I mean, that tells me that they are looking to be here for the long run, and they're not just here to make a quick buck and then to pull the rug on us. I mean, I could be wrong, but 163 days online and surviving the crypto crash is definitely something that it really piqued my interest when I started to take an interest in Pegasus. So their investment plan, they only have one, and it is earning 1.5% on your money for 200 days. And they do support many different payments, so many different coins here, like mostly as many of them as you can think. So that's a really good sign, because if you have some money in any of these and you just want to try it out, you can just send it over and start earning 1.5% on it. So as I mentioned, their minimum deposit for now, before June 6th, is only $50, and maximum is $250,000. Minimum amount to withdraw is $10, and it is instant. They only pay out in Bitcoin, so just take note of that. So after 200 days, your actual return on the investment will be 300%. So they do offer a really great referral program. So a 3-level referral program. Your first level referrals, you can earn 8% commission on their deposits. Second tier, you'll earn 4% on their deposit. And third tier, you'll earn 2% on their deposit. And so they say until the official launch, actually on June 6th, you only need to be a registered user to start earning the commission. So if you just want to be, share Pegasus as an opportunity, but you don't want to maybe risk your funds yet and invest, you can share this opportunity with other people up until June 6th and just make commission off of other people's deposits, and then maybe just put that money into Pegasus to invest, or you can withdraw it. So they do have a more in-depth commission system for people who are actually team builders. So they offer a 9-level referral commission system. And so if your first level team has turned over $25,000 or more, and a minimum deposit of $500 is required on behalf of you, the team builder. So if you put in $500 and your team has $25,000 or more, then you can actually earn a bonus of $500 withdrawable and a $250 active deposit. And so it just goes up. It goes up and up and up. So if you have $250,000 team turnover, you'll get $5,000 USD withdrawable and a $2,500 USD active deposit. And if you have $1 million in your team turnover, then you'll get $20,000 into your withdrawable wallet plus $10,000 in an active deposit. So they are really rewarding those who are building teams with this commission structure, and your account will automatically be upgraded immediately after these conditions are met. So once you reach 25,000. As I had said earlier, they do offer a dividend program too. So basically 3% of the fee that they charge you on every deposit and withdraw will be redistributed evenly among each user who has an active deposit. So that's really, really different, because we haven't really seen that yet with some other platforms that we've been in, but they really want to give back to their users. And so they are giving us basically a small dividend based on how much you have invested on the platform. So I want to go and check out my PowerPoint. Okay, so I want to talk to you about the dividend payments. So for example, just say, for example, the platform's total deposits are $150,000. And so $150,000 from a total of 5 user deposits. So say, the first user deposits 50,000, the second deposits 35,000, the third 22,000, the fourth 21,500, and the fifth another 21,500. And then say a new user comes on board and deposits $10,000. So like they said, we would get 3% of that deposit amount. So because they deposited $10,000, then we would get 3%, which is $300. And so that $300 would be divided by the total platform deposit. So say, for example, there's $150,000 total in the platform. That is 0.002 USD. That's the share per $1. So that means that if we multiply the result by each user's total deposit, so if we multiply the 0.002 times the first user, who deposited $50,000, they would get $100 from that deposit. And then the second user who deposited $35,000 will get $70. And then the third user who deposited $22,000, they'll get $44 back. And then finally, the fourth and fifth users who deposited $21,500, they'll get $43 from the 3% that the new user that deposited $10,000 deposited. So that is how the 3% dividend repayment works. I was a little confused about that, but once I saw this, it definitely made more sense to me. So with that, I will go ahead and talk about my back office and show you just how it works. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and register right here, and you just want to create a new account. So enter your email address, password, confirm your password, and accept the terms. You could also just sign in with your Google account, which is what I did. And then once you do that, I'll show you in your back office. So this is what your back office will look like when you sign in. And so as you can see, I have invested a total of 500 USD into Pegasus, and my total balance is 113.54. As you can see, I've only been here for a few days, so I've earned $21.36. I haven't done any withdrawals yet, but if you stick around on this video, I'll do a live withdrawal and show you how fast it is that I can withdraw my funds. As I mentioned, the dividend payment, I've earned $3.14 so far. So that's based on the 3% of the people who have come in to the platform. And it's also based on proportionally to how much I have actually invested on the platform. So you could see my active deposits right here. So I have my plan right now. It's earning 1.5% daily for 200 days. I have $500 in here. After they take the fees, I have $475 in here. And so you can see how much I've earned so far and the date of the transaction. So if you go over here to deposit, this is where you will need to fund your account. The minimum deposit is $50 and the maximum is $250,000. As I mentioned earlier, you must if you deposit money after June 6th, it's a $300 deposit. But before June 6th, you can get away with depositing only $50. So you can enter your amount here. They accept a lot of different coins, just a lot of them. So there's definitely something on here. I'm sure that if you're looking to fund it, you'll definitely find it on here. And then you proceed to payment, and then it'll arrive. It took about an hour for me, but they were doing site updates on the back end, so that's why it took so long. Usually it's much faster than that. And then if you go up here to withdraw, So withdrawals are paid instantly. In some cases, withdrawals may take up to 24 hours. Contact our support if you have any questions concerning your withdrawals. But most people that I've talked to and I've seen, they've received their withdrawals instantly. So in order to set up your withdrawal address, you want to go to the settings page. So you want to click the settings button right here. And you want to scroll all the way down to withdraw address. And then you want to add your wallet name. So if you're using, I don't know, just say Ledger, you could just put Ledger, okay? And then you can enter your Bitcoin address here. So, and then you just want to make sure you enter your deposit Bitcoin address, so the one that you want them to send your payment to, and then you just click save, okay? So you want to make sure you do that, because unless you put a withdrawal address, you're not going to be able to withdraw. So I think I talked about everything. Here's the referral side of things. If you're interested in doing referrals, they just show you everything right here. My deposits, so you could see my deposit history, my withdrawals. I haven't done any yet, but I will do one soon and show you guys in this video. They show you your total earnings every day. So looks like I've been earning about $7.12 every day because I've been in here for 3 days now. Payout addresses. So I haven't put my Bitcoin wallet in there yet, but once I do, it'll show up right here. And that's basically all of the dashboard and of your back office. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. I didn't have any problems just kind of navigating back here, but I do want to just go back and talk about ways to lower your investment risk. So as we know with these platforms, no matter how promising they may be, we don't know how long they're going to last, and that's just the risk that we take in being in this crypto world where, it's kind of the wild west right now. So if you want to lower your investment risk, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. This is just, it's just my opinion. I'm just sharing my journey. I'm just sharing what works for me and my strategy moving forward. But in my situation, if I want to lower my investment risk, I'm first of all, I'm not investing more than I'm willing to lose. And second of all, I am sharing this opportunity and hoping that you guys share this opportunity with others and tell them to do the same, because you can actually make back your initial investment faster if you share the opportunity. If you tell other people about your journey, about what you're doing, and tell them to do the same, just share what works for you. I only share the platforms that actually work for me and the ones that I'm really actually excited about. So I believe that that is the best way to, not only help myself, but to help others, and help others find these crypto investments that are really the diamonds in the rough, or at least we're hoping that they're the diamonds in the rough, So if you're interested in building a team and getting free traffic to your affiliate links, join my team, Team Lychee. If you want to join Pegasus specifically, the link is in my description below, and you can send me a message on Telegram after you've signed up and funded your account, and send me your referral link, because I will be giving you guys free traffic to your referral links to help you guys build out your team if you join under me. So that's really to create a win-win situation for us all. I want all of us to win in this crypto space and to be able to find platforms that are going to help us make passive income and help to make our lives better. So once again, join my Telegram channel. I share the investments that I'm in before anybody else finds out about them, and so that you can be an early investor, before everybody hops on board, and before it's too late, before you miss the opportunity, join my Telegram channel. The link is in my description below. I'll be sharing new investments, my progress on the investments, what I like about it, maybe even new videos that I make about the investment, so that you guys can just have a one-stop shop to check it out. And if you like any of them, you can also join me on my journey. So that's all I have for you guys today in this video. Thanks for sticking around, and I will be also doing a withdrawal. So if you want to stick around to the end of this video, I will be doing a withdrawal on Pegasus to show you just how fast it comes into my wallet. So I am in payout addresses right now. I have gone to my settings and added my Bitcoin wallet address. And now under payout addresses, I can see that I have my wallet name, my ledger, Bitcoin address that I added. You can add up to 10 wallet addresses here, but you'll only get paid out in Bitcoin. So if I go over to the withdrawal tab right here, I can see that here's my ledger right here, and my available amount is $113.54. So I'm going to go ahead and withdraw that money, and then I'm going to click submit. So it looks like the withdrawal went through. As you can see right here under my withdrawals, it's gone through to my Bitcoin address, and after the fees, I will be receiving $107.86, and I'll let you know as soon as it comes in. So good news, guys. It took 5 minutes to get my deposit into my Ledger wallet from Pegasus. So they are doing instant withdrawals, and they have been since they started in February. So if you guys are interested in checking out Pegasus, definitely check out the link in my description. If you want to learn more, if you have any questions about any investment or anything, feel free to message me on Telegram and join my Telegram channel to stay updated on everything I'm doing. And with that said, I'll see you in another video.